Buongiorno, today I'm delighted to show you this fully restored stone house villa. We are in Rezzo, this charming village with a breathtaking panoramic view over the valley. Have a look. Come with me and let's take a look of this charming stone house villa that is spread across 4 floors with 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms and a spacious living room. Come with me and let's take a look. So here we are on the first floor where we can find a nice little bedroom. Let's go upstairs on the amazing living room. Look how spacious is this living room. Always with this beautiful view. Here we have also a little nice studio. Come with me. Overlooking the terrace. As you see, we have a cute fireplace. This is the nice area where you can spend your morning having a nice breakfast. Come and see it. That is amazing, huh? And that fully equipped kitchen. Imagine yourself cooking here, overlooking the valley. The same floor we find the first little bathroom. And let's go and see more about this beautiful house. This beautiful house has a particular staircase. You can have, the first entrance to reach the living room by this little staircase. Or we can use that other staircase that takes you around from the bottom to the top. So in this level we have a 2 bedroom and a bathroom. I'll show you the first one. Look how cute it is. It's cozy, nice. At the same level we find the master bedroom with this beautiful bathroom. Everywhere you can have this beautiful view overlooking the valley. And as you see, the details are amazing. We have real stone with wooden beams. Now follow me on the low level where we have again 2 more floors. As you see, another beautiful bedrooms, the twins of the one that we saw before, with the bathroom ensuite. We can see we have the same details that you find in each floor. So real stone, wood and beautiful view. Everything was full restored, so this is a perfect house that you can just move in. Follow me and I show you a perfect place for your evening or for having lunch during the summer. Come! Look this cozy terrace, and this is the view, an amazing view. Now on this floor there is also the technical area. Have a look with me. And last, the basement where we have a nice tavern or a storage room or even another bedroom. Look at this. Amazing, huh? Today I was delighted to show you this stone house villa in Rezzo, 30 minutes from the sea, that is spread in 4 floors, big living room, a spacious living room with a nice and equipped kitchen, 3 bedroom with 3 bathroom and a nice storage room. The asking price of this property is €350,000.